Hi, good evening everyone. I am Jasmine Rodas and this is our daily devotion. And our topic for today is the coming prince. So, this um, this topic is telling us that we need to know that the government of Christ began at His birth. So, at the very first time na pinanganak pa lang ng Panginoon natin, talagang andun na yung reigning niya. Talagang nagsimula na yung pamumuno niya here in earth sa ating lahat. And ang dapat natin gawin as a Christian is to put our hope in Christ, expanding influence. Wherein, dapat yung pagkilala ng mga tao sa Panginoon, mas lalo pa yung nag-expand through us. Wherein, generation by generation, dapat nasasalan natin kung sino ba talaga ang ating Panginoon. Napakalala natin sa ibang tao. Because ayun yung utos niya, disciple all of His nations. So the government of Christ increases worldwide. That is true. It really happens. And we have to embrace a positive perspective on the future. Wherein, ayun nga, mas maraming nakakakilala sa Panginoon, mas dumadami yung bilang ng nagiging Christians na naniniwala sa Lord. And because of our ancestors, some people na nakakalala sa Panginoon, tayo din is nakakalala. And also, the government of Christ governs the nations. So we need to pray for influence and make a difference. So when we say praying for influence, dapat in everything that we do, pinagdarasal natin ito, ginagawa natin ng lahat para ma-fulfill yung utos ng Panginoon. And that is our topic for today, the coming prince. And we should not, dapat hindi natin ito isinasawalang bahala dahil ang Panginoon ang siyang dapat manguna at kumalat ang kanyang pangalan, ang kanyang Christ-likeness, ang kanyang ginawa para sa atin. And that is our topic for today. Have a good day and bye-bye.